Top 7 best places you must visit in British Columbia, Canada once in your life. British Columbia, Canada's westernmost province, is a traveler's paradise that boasts a breathtaking mix of rugged coastlines, majestic mountains, ancient forests, and vibrant cities. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a culture buff, or simply looking for a relaxing getaway, BC offers something for everyone. Here are the top 7 places in British Columbia you shouldn't miss when visiting this city. Number 1. Whistler Village. Whistler is a vibrant, pedestrian-only hub at the base of Whistler Blackcomb Ski Resort in British Columbia, Canada, famous for world-class skiing, dining, shopping, and year-round mountain activities like hiking and mountain biking, offering a lively atmosphere with hotels, restaurants, cultural spots. Number 2. Capilano Suspension Bridge. The Capilano Bridge in North Vancouver is a stunning and thrilling attraction, stretching 137 meters long and 70 meters above the Capilano River. Visitors can walk across the suspension bridge and enjoy the lush forest views and the sound of flowing water below. It's an experience that combines excitement with natural beauty, captivating everyone who visits. Number 3. Victoria. Victoria is the capital city of the Canadian province of British Columbia, located on the southern tip of Vancouver. Victoria is known for its captivating mix of cultural heritage, stunning natural environments, and vibrant city life. Known for its historic sites, beautiful gardens, and active lifestyle, Victoria stands out as a premier destination in Canada that offers visitors a rich and varied experience. Number 4. Kootenay National Park. This park is one of Canada's national parks, located in the province of British Columbia. The park is famous for its stunning natural landscapes, tall mountains, rivers, valleys, and hot springs. Visitors can explore hiking and climbing trails, go cycling, and stay in designated camping areas. One of the park's special features is Radium Hot Springs, where people can relax in the natural hot waters. Number 5. Okanagan Valley. Okanagan is located in British Columbia, Western Canada, stretching between the cities of Kelowna and Vernon. The valley is famous for its stunning lakes, orchards, and vineyards. Visitors can explore hiking and cycling trails, relax in the peaceful natural surroundings, and enjoy local specialties, including the region's renowned wines. Number 6. Steveston in Richmond. Steveston is a historic and scenic neighborhood located in the city of Richmond, British Columbia, along the Fraser River. It was originally a fishing village and is still well known for its harbor, fishing boats, seafood restaurants, and peaceful atmosphere. Steveston also features local markets, small artisan shops, and historic sites such as the Steveston Village Museum, making it a popular place for walking, sightseeing, and photography for both locals and visitors. Number 7. Stanley Park, Vancouver. No trip to British Columbia is complete without visiting Stanley Park. This 1,000-acre natural oasis sits on the edge of downtown Vancouver, offering scenic views of the city's skyline, mountains, and ocean. Visitors can walk or bike the 9-kilometer seawall loop, explore forest trails, visit the Vancouver Aquarium, or relax on one of the beaches,